Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath here it's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has adaptive high beam assist, 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, wheel guards to protect your wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, espresso brown ginger beige MB text interior with a brown eucalyptus wood trim, sunroof. Come around back, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 2 package with rear shades, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, illuminated door sills, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 25,706 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 GLE 350, visit us at feldmanimports.com.